Alright, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I believe I'm talking to somebody. Good evening. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's not like a regular kind of event. This one is going to be as corporate and as comical like you can always aspire it to be. At this point in time, please don't believe the persons at that door in the next few seconds, please, we would actually want that door to be locked properly so that those who are still outside, if they are not in by now, I think very soon we'll have to lock it up because it's a kind of event where we want to actually have everybody's face on record and actually know the kind of persons who grace this wonderful event. But before that, if you know you love God, please, round of applause for our Lord Jesus Christ. Sometimes when you clap, remember that you might die the next few seconds. So if you love God, clap for God. Some of you don't even know your neighbor. Feel free, turn to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, you're welcome. Feel free, look at your neighbor, tell your neighbor, you're welcome. Feel free, look at your neighbor, tell your neighbor. Tell your neighbor. Tell your neighbor. Say it shall be well with you. Once again, look at your neighbor, tell your neighbor. Say neighbor. Say neighbor. Say neighbor. Say if I look for my phone. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Without wasting time, I believe a lady to the right, a lady to the left. First and foremost, I want to especially recognize some of our very good partners in this wonderful event. Don't forget, it's still the comedy night, and I want to tell you, this event is humbly sponsored and packaged by one particular lady. And I want to tell you that lady very soon you'll be seeing her upstage right here. And I want to tell you, I think in Owerri, this is the first of its kind that a lady is packaging a comedy event. Please. But ladies and gentlemen, on this note, I want to especially recognize the camera boy studio, the camera boy, that's the people in charge of our very most distinguished cinematography, photography, and the video coverage. God bless you for coming. And I still want to humbly, on this note, recognize and humbly tell you about our major sponsor, which is iMeals. iMeals, they are into something very special in Owerri. At this point in time, this particular brand is into delivering foods to you at your doorstep. Now, look at it. They don't cook. Just download their app. If you download their app, very simple. Any kind of fast food you want food to come from, just download their app. Tell them the fast food you want them to buy the food for you. They'll go there, buy it, the kind of food you want, and deliver it to your doorstep. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, my name is MC Badman, the evangelist. As I bring on stage, no other than a very wonderful comedian. This guy has gone far, wide, and near, and he's here just to make you laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for MC Free.
I decided not to be stressing myself on stage again. Because Nigeria is a very funny country. If you notice, some things they come, they go. At the time, inventions just they come. At the time, we come, they settle matter. I don't know, more than remind me. Get so many things will happen during that lockdown period. Now, meet so and so. The first man to, that is Nigeria for you. Other countries, they celebrate inventories, they celebrate car without, without fuel. If they bring that car where they use for this electricity, bring her come Nigeria. Some people could drive with generator for their boot. No, but it's very simple. Some people could drive with generator for their boot because they don't trust the car. It's our country for you.
You want to serve your wife, breakfast in bed. Someone like this, maybe she's done. Get out. Come on there. Come on. Come on, don't be shy. You marry someone like this, you want to give her breakfast in bed. You can't carry everything. With your towel, we call it towel, not towel. Your wife is still laying down. You carry coffee or tea. Anything they won't give her, you come where she did. Be like, babe. She can't open one eye. You can't be like, you are my African queen. The girl of my dream. Wow. She can't look you. Baby, I love you. See wife. Geeky is here. Baby shit. Face mask is for personal use. You see this? It's like your toothbrush.
Please help me with your face mask. I'm Gajoshal. I'll bring it back to you.
See, let me tell you, Ed, goof. See, this is what they call weed. It's not good. He says it's not life, not life. Look at your life. You make it begin and share. You are lying down on the chair. Check when you put sickness. You have something like syphilis, cancer, hernia, lung disease. You know, sickness is sweet. You want sicker. Carry yourself to come down to Nigeria. Names of sickness. You have something like Mbappe and color. Achebe, Okwabashi, Obala, Ngangale, you are welcome for my village. I'm not Takoja. You know, I'm not kitchen Jesus.
Now, see Mary, a full-fledged virgin, married a carpenter. Now, girl, we done this virgin do like 4 abortions unknown to her friends, 4 known to her friends. Now, we come marry 1 young boy, Akaya daughter. The family people go still gather, bring lists. Come tell you, say, sorry, our list is not updated. Come write extra 2 lists for your front. You go still get mine, bring 2 schnapp. My brother, at this point, you don't argue with him. You don't argue with anybody. You just do this. He said, my in-law, let me see you a minute, sir. You carry and go by the corner. You do what? You bring out your phone. Find video where your babe been in smoke. Where father never see. Where she twerked for 2,000. Where father never see. Then you show the father behind. See your daughter. See her. Now she be this. If you show and finish, you come back. I give you 30 seconds to go see your in-law and smile and come back. I'm going to go for your death. At that point now, it doesn't say who you come to marry and help, you really come to help her.
Ladies and gentlemen, out of Florida.
Right about now, you guys are listening to DJ Fokazi, and they must download D430
It's coming from IBO. Please come forward, come up. My sister, you are very happy. It's like you don't come out on a regular basis. And how we are smiling. What's the name? I said your name, not your street name. What's your name? Pearl. What is your name? I don't what's your name? Your name is Pearl. You see me that is Pearl. What's all this? What's your name? Gloria. What's your name again? Gloria. What's your Igbo name? That's your real name. Ollie. Where did Pearl come from? I told you I tell you my Instagram name. Alright, Humbly, are you a student?
Yeah.
Which school?
Parapolin Academy.
And you have this kind of accent? Wow! I thought it was him so. That's when you have this kind of lady, get away, you're fine. Get out. I said, well, women, get away. Thank you, break. Alright, thank you very much. On this one, hey, listen, shine and nobody.
Give me bread, don't give me stone, I don't give bulldozer, don't give me snake, I don't give forest. Now better than let go, Lord. Give me bread, don't give me stone, I don't give bulldozer, don't give me snake, I don't give forest. Now better than let go, Lord. Should I tell you that don't be person? Should I go there, don't be person?
on neck. Me, I want to party with the guys on neck. Oh, chilling in my private jet. I want to flex, I want to flex. Combination for the beers. No bad vibes, you don't need no wahala. All your things come true. If you get the dollar, if you get the big food, you don't need no wahala. Love to the ball with the love of my life. Money, if you end up on the good luck of my life. Then it's all I see, and I see it every day. All things to DJ Kota. Now money be fine for God. This money better for God. The minister father like to suck up. If I don't get the money, shake a fuck up. Oluwa give me dollars, at least I need the guy spend it on me, mommy. If I get it, go there.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Miss Chinwendu Sandra Weke to humbly come and sing. That's the people of Comedy Night. If you're not standing, it's wrong. It's not a vision for her. It's wrong. God bless you. You might now sing.
Good evening, everybody. I'm very happy and I'm very excited. I never expected this show to be like this. And I want to tell you guys I love you guys for showing up and for supporting me. Thank you very much for coming out. Thank you very much for leaving everything you had to do to come show me love. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
We have to love John.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you guys.
Dangote.
God bless you, Dangote. See you. You don't need to put this money.